What's the meaning of Algerian? Algerian. 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 Algerian.
The term Algerian typically refers to people, things, or places connected to Algeria, a country located in North Africa. Algeria is the largest country on the continent and has a diverse population, including Arabs, Berbers, and other ethnic groups. The country is known for its rich history, cultural heritage, and scenic landscapes, such as the Sahara Desert and the Mediterranean coastline. The Algerian economy is driven by the oil and gas industry, as well as agriculture, tourism, and manufacturing sectors. Despite facing challenges such as political instability and social inequality, Algeria remains an important player on the African and global stage.